And this fact about illegals coming across our border, I mean, I know the president doesn't like to accept this. I know the president doesn't like to look at it this way because, you know, he's got these rose-colored glasses and you know, everybody is equal. But we're at war. We're at war with radical Muslim terrorists who want to, according to their own words, plant their flag over the White House. And maybe they already have, I don't know. But yeah. Now, we got to give them the benefit of the doubt, don't we? Hey, that's your words, not mine. I'm on my third audit already from the IRS in 3 years. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. And that's I kind of wear that as a badge of honor. I feel if a little nobody like me with a couple printing presses can get the government so mad at him that they're auditing him 3 times in 3 years, I'm doing something right.